When we think of salsa, we automatically think of tomatoes. Let's beat the heat and make peach salsa. Let's get into it, y'all. We're gonna start off by adding peaches, and I am actually using canned peaches instead of fresh peaches, but you can use frozen, fresh, it's really up to you. And then I'm adding cucumbers. Then of course you're gonna need lime juice, and I use fresh limes, red peppers, and of course green onions. And lastly, what's gonna make this the best is adding cilantro. And then I'm gonna stir this all together. Now it's time to add our 2 tablespoons of honey. While this would be great with chips, don't be afraid to experiment with chicken or fish.